Right Reverend Barnabas Tebeijuka arugambaho n'abanyamakuru teira abebembezi b'ekanisa abashoborire entebe kanisa z'enkurakurana ezikozirwe diocese ate yasha abebembezi okurekeraho okwekambisa abantu okuterera karuru abantu abo barukunda ohireho abo abarukutiina Ruhanga.
So I don't want any religious leader to disorganize people, telling people vote this, encouraging people even to vote on tribal or religious lines, but let us vote God-fearing people in reference to our motto, for God and my country.
Bishop yagaruka yatera omushinya abebembezi b'ekanisa ngo barekeraho okwejwanzya munonga ombyo butegeki ohireho okutera akaruru bakatora n'abebembezi konka barekeraho okwenda kusharrama abakristayo aho barukwenda okutorana.
Encourage every religious leader to involve in politics by electing leaders. We need to elect leaders who are God-fearing. But I discourage them from standing on pulpits to say, vote for so and so. By so doing, you will be separating the people.
Ahabyogaruraho no gumyaho businge Bishop nashobora ngunke kanisa nababura enjiri eyobusinge n'obumwe na no kugarukana hati abantu begisire hamwe omucyange echo.
We have preached the gospel of peace, unity, reconciliation, and coexisting. So we thank God for the positive response. People are peaceful. People are working together as a sign of unity. People are interacting with one another as a sign of reconciliation. And there is nobody being disturbed.
Jole tibemanya omwebembezi w'abakristayo ba West Rwenzori Diocese abase kusima abebembezi abedini abokora omurumo gwa Ruhanga na no kwiriza abantu heihi na rukirabona.
I want to thank the clergy for holding on this candle to keep it burning. It's not an easy task, my Lord Bishop, to manage human beings. The clergy have proved that they are the right shepherds to look after the Lord's sheep, because without them, work would be very difficult down in our churches.
Tebamanya gumizemu no kushobora ngo bariyo nibakora hamwe nkamenya gife na geruguru omudayisiseji okubasa kuhika bindi birungi nyamwingi omunkurakurana.
This work is voluntary, and for us as the laity we are committed. We shall always be behind you and the entire team until when our terms of offices expire, we shall actually, we must leave a legacy behind.
West Rwenzori Diocese obwahati ekizo mwaka gumwe nechweka kuruga netekwaho inamakanisa 81 za parishi 16 hamwe na archdiaconary 3 gakushakirwa alinaitwe Godwin Bwambare bundi bujo ahabwa Tayari West.
Makuru